The venue is ready, ladies and gentlemen, for the division meeting for Kiwanis Cavite. And at the same time, later on, party time for our club, yung aming Kiwanis Club of Eagle Heart, Cavite. Oh, President, say hi, shout out. Shout out aming President, si Ryan Aguila. Ayan ba team song? Anthem natin ng Kiwanis. Yan ang
yan yung hymn.
Team. So, andito kami ulit sa magandang venue. Owned also by a fellow Kiwanian. So, see you later guys.